Hello everyone, this is Not FX. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a trade idea that I sent out to my free Telegram signals yesterday and also shared to my private Discord, right? And I'm going to be sharing with you my bias on EURUSD going forward, right? So let's get straight into it. First of all, I would like to show you that I actually sent the trade idea out to my Telegram channel, right? And if I share my screen right now, I'm going to show you my Telegram channel. Just a minute, right? You guys can see, right? Right, you guys can see I shared this to my Telegram channel, right? If you want to join my free Telegram channel, right, where I share daily, where I share free signals, that you can take advantage of, right? You can, you find the link in the description and you can get access into it, right? So going back to the video, right? This was a trade idea I sent out. You can see my arrow pointing at the zone that I was looking for a buy, right? But this trade idea played out during the times that I'm not actually current on the chart, right? Because you should have your plans, right? You should calculate and know the sessions that you trade. I'm a London session trader and also New York session, right? But this was heading into when New York session was heading to close and doing the spread hours as well. So I don't look to trade at those times, right? So if you can see, right, if I just bar replay, you can see that pretty much we got the confirmations we always want to see, right? You can see how I drew everything out, right? So confirmations got everything aligned, right? So if you guys want to, right, if you guys want to, know how to, take position trade ideas like this, link in the description, join my Telegram channel. You for my Telegram channel, you can have contacts to me and then we look to discuss that, right? But going into what I think could be So what I think could be the next play for Hero USD is that, right, if you look at the higher time frames, right, you can see that we've been bullish for some time, but don't forget the fact that we've been bearish before this short time bullish reaction that we see, right? So if you go to the daily, you can see that we have our daily structure marked out, we have our daily range marked out, and in between this daily range is where we see this consolidation and a big sell to the downside, right? So I'm talking about, right? Big sell to the downside, right? So what are we looking at right now? Right, going to the 4 hour time frame, where we can see that this is actually the extreme point of this whole range, right? This is our range, right? Of this whole range. This is our external, this is our extreme demand zone, right? And if we use our Fibonacci as well, right, we can see that this zone lies in between the 78, 88, 6 of the Fibonacci level, right? Which shows that this is actually a discounted area, right? That institutions and other big players will be looking to engage, right? Right. So what do I see right now? What am I looking at right now? What I'm looking at right now is very, very simple, right? I have my 15-minute range right here. I have my 15-minute range right here. Either the market comes down here and then give me confirmations on the lower time frame to go higher, right? Or the market goes higher, right? First of all, what I would love to see is seeing this Asia high cleared out, right? Because what do we know about Asia high, right? Asia are liquidity zones. By the way, right, in my Discord group, right, in my Discord community, private Discord community, right, I have documented everything from basics, right? I've documented everything from what is forex, how to trade market structure, your how to trade the time frames, the lower time frames, everything is documented, right? And pretty much my students as well, right, started from not knowing what forex is, and right now most of them are taking trade ideas by themselves. Most of them, right, most of them take trades by themselves, right? So, right, putting that in the uh on the other side, right? So what am I looking for right now? What I'm looking for right now is very, very simple. I'm looking at this supply zone right here, and I have this demand zone right here as well. But we can see that this supply zone is very, very close, and I think the market could just, pull into this, and then I'm going to look for my confirmation right here, and then I'm going to look to take this market lower. Where is my target, right? Because before you enter a market, right, you should have a target, right? Your entry, your exit, right? And then you should be entering with your risk management, right? Where are you entering? Where are you going to exit, right? If I don't find my exit point, definitely I'm not going to be entering any trade idea, right? Uh, this is telling you guys from experience, right? I'm telling you guys because most of the time, new traders, right? All these new traders, right? Most of the times they have their entry point, but when they enter, they fail to recognize their exit point. And failing to recognize your exit point will make you to lose even all the profit that you've made already, right? So what am I looking at right here? My plan for this trade is if this trade should come, right? If this should pull back into this supply zone right here, I'm going to look for confirmations. And if I get confirmations, I'm going to look to take the market, right? Where is my first TP going to be? My first TP is going to be this demand zone right here, right? And I'm going to look to take the rest of my position below this low. But still, I'm going to be leaving a runner, right? I'm going to be leaving some part of my position, maybe 20% or 30% of my position running, and then I'm going to look to get confirmation right here, right? Either I get confirmation right here or not, right? I'm going to leave my runner, and I'm going to be, observing and see what the market gives me, right? So this is my bias on USD, right? If you want more content like this, right, or if you guys have anything in mind you guys think I should help you guys with, right, you can put your idea or whatever you think in the comment section, right? Don't forget to like as well, and I will see you guys in the next video. Let's get it.